Hello students. So today we will be discussing the question, the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. The smallest angle is 120 degree, then find the number of sides of the polygon. So look here. So first I will take let the number of sides of polygon be, the number of sides of polygon be, number of sides of the polygon be n. So I need to find the number of sides in the polygon. I'll take the value of that as n. So look here, in a polygon they have given that the smallest angle is 120 degree and the next angle is nothing but it will have plus 5 degree. So they have given that the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree, which means the smaller angle is 120 degree, means what will be the next angle? It will be 120 plus 5 degree. Is it right? So what will be its next angle? It will be 120 plus 5 degree. Is it right, children? So it is given that the smallest angle is 120 degree, which means what will be the next angle? The next angle will be 120 degree plus 5 degree. Is it right? So how will be the angles in this polygon? It will be of the form, look carefully, it will be 120 degree, 120 degree plus 5 degree, 120 degree plus 5 degree plus 5 degree, and so on. Is it right, children? So I need to find the number of sides of this polygon. So if you look carefully, how does this sequence look? It looks like an AP. Is it true? Look here. This is nothing but it is an AP with a common difference 5 degree. Do you agree? Look here. 120, 125, 130 degree, 135 and 140 and so on. So this is in the form of an arithmetic progression with a common difference 5 degree and the first term as 120 degree. Is it right? If we sum up all this, we are going to get the sum of interior angles of the polygon. So also we know that what is the formula to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon? Interior angles of a polygon is, it is nothing but n minus 2 into 180 degree. Is it? So it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So if we sum up this AP also, we are going to get the sum of interior angles. So which is nothing but sum of interior angles of polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equivalent to sum of this AP, no, which is nothing but sum of n terms of the given arithmetic progression. So look here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. So we know the formula to find the sum of n terms of AP. It is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I will use it. Look here. This is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 times of a. What is 2 times of 120 degree? 2a is nothing but 240 degree plus n minus 1 into, common difference is given as 5. This is, I will multiply this one, I will try to simplify, that is n minus 2 into, what is 180 into 2? This 360 is equal to, if I multiply this one I will get n into 240 n, next this is 5n into n is plus 5n square minus 5 into n is minus 5n. So this is nothing but 360n minus 360 2's up. This is 720 is equal to 240n plus 5n square minus 5n. So on simplifying this, we are going to get a quadratic equation. So look here, that is 5n square, I will shift these terms to that side, 5n square minus 5n plus 240n, if I shift this one I will get minus 360n and plus 720 is equal to 0. 720 is equal to 0. So look here, 720 is equal to 0. So now I will try to simplify this quadratic equation. Look here, this is 5n square. Next, this is 240 minus 5 is 235. 145. 235 minus 360 is minus 125, which will be minus 125 and the remaining is plus 720 is equal to 0. 720 is equal to 0. I divide this equation throughout by 5. So this becomes n square minus, if I divide it by 5, this becomes 25n plus 144 is equal to 0. So I need to simplify this one. So this is a quadratic equation. How to solve this one? This is 144n square and minus 25n. So how can we get 144n square and minus 25n, which is nothing but 16 9s. Is it right, children? Minus 69 minus 9n. So I'll substitute this one, n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 is equal to 0. So I'll take n common here. N into n minus 16 minus, if I take 9 as common, n minus 16 is equal to 0, which implies what are the values of n? N is equal to 9 or n is equal to 16. So we have got the values of n, which are nothing but the number of sides of polygon, as 9 and 16. Now which one to take among these two? Look here. If suppose I take n is equal to 16, look carefully. If I take n as 16, what will be the, look here, if I take the value of n as 16, if I take n is equal to 16, the 16th side will be, A16. How do we find the 16th term of this GP? How to find 16th term of this AP? That is given by A plus n minus 1 into D, which is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, what is the value of A? A is 120 plus n minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15 into 5. Look here, 120 plus 15 5 is 75, which will exceed 180 degree. Is it right? So, but we know that the interior angle in a polygon should always be less than 180 degree. So, we cannot take n is equal to 60. So, what will be the number of sides of the given polygon? It will be 9. So, the given polygon will have 9 sides and it will be a nonagon. Thank you, students.